Hello again everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing how non-technical users can use TMVGate to firstly, generate MDX queries, and secondly, to post TM1 MDX queries in Power BI. A number of our clients are using MDX queries for various reasons. In essence, it provides unparalleled flexibility in calling data, and with TMVGate, even the most non-technical users can get started with MDX. To start off, let's take a look at a cube view and architect. I have my sales price view with account and month in the row and column. I have actual versus budgeted, my region, and my model in the context. Now, if I want to retrieve this data in Power BI using MDX queries, I will open Power BI, click on Get Data, Blank Query, click on Advanced Editor, and I will copy this block of code. Not to worry, you can find it in the description of this video. Basically, there are two parameters you will need to change. The first is the source. So let's open TMVGate. Click on Create Post MDX URL. Select PSV and generate Post MDX URL. I'm going to click on Copy and replace this portion over here. The next part, I will need to replace the PostContent, which basically tells us what data we want to retrieve from TM1. So I will open TMVGate, click on Create View MDX Query, choose my cube, my SalesCube, select the view, my sales price, and click on Generate. And then I'll copy it and replace this entire segment over here. Okay, now I need to take note of the double quotes. So I will have a double quote for MDX, double quote before select, and one final double quote at the end before the bracket. And now I'll see that there are no syntax errors, and I will click on Done. And there we go, we have the data for Argentina. Now, if we want to redefine our query for, let's say, region, let's say we want to retrieve Brazil's data, all we need to do is to copy this block of code, select New Source and Blank Query, go back to Advanced Editor, paste the query in, and go to the context, right? So this was previously Argentina, and let me change this to Brazil, and then click on Done. And there we go, now we have Brazil's data. To finalize this and load the data into Power BI, click on Close and Apply. Let's look at the data. This is for Argentina and this is for Brazil. And there we have it, a powerful and flexible way of retrieving data from TM1 using the MDX query. Thank you for watching this video. For more information or for a free TMVGate trial, visit our website or email us at info@itlink.com.sg. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and we'll be having more regular content updates. Thank you.